My name is Brian, and I'm a brain.
Brian, the amazing brain, loves music. He really likes the sound of a violin.
Which of these instruments is a violin?
Brian wonders. Brian asked this instrument.
Are you a violin?
No, I'm a trumpet. I sound like this.
Brian asked this instrument.
Are you a violin?
No, I'm a guitar. I sound like this.
Brian asked another instrument.
Are you a violin?
Yes, I am a violin. Listen to me play.
Each instrument plays a different part in an orchestra. Which ones can you hear playing?